In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best robot window cleaners available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the robot window cleaners mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, CHOVERY CL1 Advanced Electric Window Cleaner. The CHOVERY CL1 makes window cleaning simple with a 5-meter cord for extended reach and remote control for easy operation. Certified by CE, FCC, and ROHS, it guarantees safety and quality. Included safety rope and cleaning cloths ensure convenience and reliability. This efficient cleaner is perfect for achieving streak-free windows effortlessly. Available now for $94.90, 67% off from the original price of $285. It's an excellent value for your home or office cleaning needs. Number 4, ABIR WD8 Window Cleaning Robot. The ABIR WD8 offers advanced cleaning with fixed-pointed stain removal, dual ultrasonic spray for enhanced coverage, and voice help for real-time guidance. Its SLAM 4.0 system ensures smart cleaning routes for maximum efficiency. Perfect for smooth surfaces, it's an essential tool for families. Available at $119.78, 71% off, with an extra $12 discount using code WD1200, valid until February 28, 2025. A powerful and intelligent cleaning solution at an unbeatable price. Number 3, Liectroux YW509 Smart Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectroux YW509 is the ultimate smart solution for home and office window cleaning. It features patented cleaning cloths for exceptional decontamination, UPS power-off protection for safety, and dual water spray for thorough cleaning. Intelligent path planning ensures every corner is spotless with minimal effort. Compact and reliable, it's a great tool for sparkling windows every time. Priced at $129.50, down from its original price of $440, it offers significant savings while delivering professional-grade results. Number 2, PuRuiKai N361 High Suction Window Cleaning Robot. The PuRuiKai N361 is designed for safe and effortless window cleaning. Its high suction power ensures a secure hold, while the 4.5 power cord offers extended reach for larger windows. Certified by CE for quality and safety, it includes a safety rope and 10 cleaning cloths for added convenience. Compact and efficient, this cleaner is perfect for tackling dirt and stains on smooth surfaces. Now priced at $73.10, down from $210, it's an affordable and effective solution for sparkling clean windows. Number 1, Robot Lifestyle RL4136 Smart Window Cleaner. The Robot Lifestyle RL4136 offers an effortless cleaning solution with its powerful 2,500 pascals suction force for a secure hold and auto water spray to dissolve stains effectively. Bluetooth remote control ensures flexible and easy operation, while the UPS power-off protection guarantees reliability and safety. Designed for modern homes, it's compact and efficient, providing streak-free results on all smooth surfaces. Available now for $108, originally $310, it's an excellent investment for a smarter, cleaner lifestyle.